What's up, YouTube? Today I am gonna be showing you my newest fidget spinner. Oh wait, get out of there. You need this guy in the background. Hey, wait. I should have done this before the video. Okay. So we have this fidget spinner right here. It came in this. Wait, I should put it in first, like that. Yeah. Like we have this fidget spinner. It's a cube, but the question is, what does it do? Is it just a cube? It's a spinner cube fidget thingy. Blah blah blah. It's like, no, it's not a fidget cube, okay? Maybe this could be a fidget cube if fidget cubes were nowhere else. Yeah. I want no fidget cubes in stores anymore, people. So, take that way. Get my coins out of the way. Okay. So, it spins for like 5 minutes. Wait, sorry, wrong one. There's two variations. This one is this short spinner. This one is the long spinner. Wait. What is wrong with me? Long spinner. Pretty dope. And you can also do this. Wait. Oh shoot. I keep on choosing the short variation ones. So here is it. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Just make sure this one is the short variation. Switch it around, you have the long variation. So, it's pretty dope. And I'm going to be giving this away. Unlike other fidget spinners, which I really like to wreck. Like, yes, I am that stupid. I like to wreck fidget spinners. Look at this. And it has rusty bearings, and it has that gun. So it just looks good as design when it's like that. But this, no way. It has rusty bearings, but look at this one. Look at that. Yeah. I know. I have low battery. Whatever. Guess I won't be recording for long, I guess. Boy, the bearings come off super easily. Same for this one. Look at, not as bad, the blue one, but the blue one still, look at that. It's even worse than this. Actually, this one I just need to get the bearing, and then it'll be a normal fidget spinner. But still not broken. So this one is gonna get fully cracked. So, whoa, that was a good one. Still not good enough. I'm making dents on my wooden floor, which is dumb. I'm super dumb. I guess this will clean it. Some Adidas JK though. Wait here, I'm gonna show you something dope. Wait, what the hell is it? Yo, broken bones. Ugh, frick. This, freaking. Oh, come on, it's not here. Whatever. So, guess that's, fidget spin. What do you have to do to enter this giveaway? follow me on Instagram, Arin_the_boss, and then subscribe to my channel. One thing, I know those tricks, you subscribe to my channel, right? And then you get your fidget spinner, you unsubscribe, which is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. And some people even go in the comments and say, I subscribed, and they never even subscribed. So, I'll be checking you. I'll be checking you, son. Watch out, because I might say I'm sending your fidget spinner right now, but I won't be. You just need to tell me your address, and yeah, I might be tricking you. And then if you unsubscribe, nope, it ain't you. So good luck with that. So turn it off. Okay, yeah, and subscribe to my channel. Comment I subscribed on my latest videos. You have to like all my videos. Don't worry, I don't have that much videos on my channel. I will soon. I am not ASMR, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace. Be a boss, be a boss, be a boss. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like legit. That'll mean a lot to me. That will mean a lot to me. Peace. And like the videos, boy, 'cause they are pro.